Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantak Markets for Wednesday the 30th of April. Going to look at dollar yen now, and dollar yen had a sharp move to the downside on the back of that Bank of Japan statement that they kept monetary policy flat overnight. And it just has fairly muddied the waters. This announcement on this technical chart. We had been thinking that dollar yen was going to be possibly even moving for an upside breakout. It sort of poked above that 102.72 mark to hit a peak of 102.78 yesterday, but it couldn't hold on to the gains, and the sharp losses overnight have sort of now turned back into a mixed outlook on the near-term basis. Anyway, I mean, if you look at the RSI, it's basically flat, 50, and the MACD lines are pretty much exactly neutral. So not a great deal that we can be taken from all these indicators at the moment. It's a very neutral trading period. There's not any conviction. It's not a million miles away from being mid-range in this big trading range that we've seen over the past 3 months, and it's a difficult call on an intraday basis, you would argue. So this is the looking hourly. You had this, as I said previously, this move to the upside. I'm still going to once more highlight this 89-hour moving average, because I still think that's doing a little bit of a job here. Had provided support, became resistance through the correction, and is sort of now becoming the base of support once more. So 102.37 that comes in at, and dollar yen has picked up slightly off that again this morning. So just bear that one in mind when you're looking at this. I think on an intraday basis, the 89-hour moving average is a decent indicator there. But the momentum indicators have all dropped off, and are fairly corrective now. So it's as I said, on an intraday basis of calling, this is quite difficult, because you've now got a lower high in place at 102.66. And you've had this rally, and if this rally again falls over, it's hit a peak of around about 102.50. 54, I think it is, in the last few minutes, and and if that falls over again, then you would imagine that the pressure is still growing to the downside. So this yen strength that we've had on the back of this Bank of Japan is sort of in line with the general outlook of a slightly risk-averse trading in front of all these key bits of data today. So it'll be interesting to see now if dollar yen begins to fall away again as that data comes through. So that is my outlook for dollar yen. I wish you good luck in your trading. Don't forget that US GDP could certainly have a big impact on this chart. If it comes out strongly, then dollar yen should be able to regain some upside initiative. But that's at 1:30, and also the FOMC at 7 o'clock tonight. So thank you very much, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.